I'm trying to create the best experience for people to gather and to learn from each other, because I think when you're in a group, not only do you build those relationships faster, but you learn so much just by shooting next to other people. There's very few other places like this, where you have mountains and lakes and just outdoors all around you, and you can be in it in a minute whenever you want. As photographers, we are typically working with our couples, but ultimately alone. Creating community is essential, and I think doing that in person is really important. I think people come up here because they want that adventure. I definitely want people to have that experience, and at the same time, I want to show them there's so much more. I want people to feel inspired. I want them to create work that they just love, that gives them new ideas, so that they can go back to whatever it is that they have at home, and they can just bring that inspiration into their work and create even better work. I've seen people just have their eyes open to thinking in a new way and seeing things differently, and that's not because my way is the right way. It's because whenever you're in a new situation, you're forced to grow, and I think that's really valuable.